Hello modelers, today's Father's Day. I'm building this kit with my youngest son. He's camera shy, so we'll only show the parts. So we're starting out with just the engine block, the cylinder, and the engine block wall. There are some pieces missing, so I'll fabricate it, but anyway, this is what the final product should be, and it's operating. There are some pieces missing, but I think I can fabricate it. So this is the progress so far. Alright, so we are done with essentially the engine block, and we put in the crankshaft, but this side of the engine block is missing because I did take an inventory of it when I purchased it. I purchased it open box, so I basically just used thick cardboard and I reinforced it right where this is. I greased it so that it will spin freely, so hopefully it will run all right, but if not, then I'll just have to widen that hole so it'll be less friction. But so far so good. All right, so here we are now. The pistons are in, the main bearings, crankshaft, and the oil, the pickup for the oil. The only thing is this did not come with a motor, and the motor turns out to be a round casing. All I have are these standard looking ones that kind of look oval, so I'm gonna have to stop here and order a motor that's more compatible with the parts. So unfortunately we have to break right here.